क्योंकि लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए बना रहता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड climate of the place. So the average weather pattern at a place taken over a longer period of time, say 25 years, is called the climate of that place. For example, the temperature in the Himalayan region is very low most of the time. That is why we say that the climate of Himalayan region is very cool. So the temperature in Thar desert is high most of the time. That is why we say that the climate of Thar desert is very hot. Some parts receive too much rainfall. Like Meghalaya, the average annual rainfall is 260 centimeter and above. It rains almost every day in Meghalaya. So we say that the climate of Meghalaya is hot and humid. Similarly, in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, the annual rainfall is 10 to 12 centimeter in year. Means very less rainfall is recorded in Jaisalmer. So we used to say that the temperature or climate of Jaisalmer is hot climate. Now we come to climate and adaptation. As about climate you have come to know that it persists for a longer time duration. So the vegetation of that place, including plants and animals, they also adapt themselves to survive in that particular type of climate that lasts for longer time. So the favorable features and habits which help the living organism to survive and breed in their surrounding habitat is called adaptation. So this is called adaptation. The modifications in the body of the animals or the plants which makes them fit to survive in either severe cold or severe hot region is called adaptation. Now we come to the adaptations of different animals in different regions. Now first is polar region. Polar region, as you know, it is very cold. It is situated near north and south poles of the earth and it is called polar region. It is severe cold throughout the year. For 6 months the sun does not set at the poles, while for the other 6 months the sun does not rise. Some well-known countries that belong to the polar region are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in the USA and Siberian region of Russia. So polar bear, penguins, musk deer, oxen, reindeer, foxes, seal, whales, etc. These all animals are examples of polar region. So they according to that particular climatic condition. Now we come to the adaptations that is shown by polar bear. Since polar bears are perfectly adapted to live in ice cold environment of the Antarctic polar region, north pole of the earth, they have the following adaptation. They have 2 thick layer of fur on their body which keeps them warm during winters. The hollow hair trap air and keep the body warm because air is bad conductor of heat and electricity. Now second adaptation is that they have thick layer of fat, blubber under the skin that keeps the body warm in extremely cold climates. अब ये जो पोलर बियर की स्किन है, स्किन के नीचे एक थिक फैट का लेयर होता है. फैट लेयर इज देयर जस्ट बीनीथ द स्किन और वो फैट लेयर भी पोलर बियर को सीवियर कोल्ड से बचाता है एंड कीप्स द पोलर बियर warm even during severe winters. They have white colored fur. The color of their fur is white which blends with the snow white background and it protects them against their predators. So polar bear के जो fur है that is white in color और जो वहाँ स्नो है, आइस है, वो भी सब वाइट कलर का है, बैकग्राउंड भी उनका वाइट है, और इनका वाइट कलर इनको इनके प्रेडेटर से बचाता है ना, ताकि ये किल ना किए जा सके दूसरे जानवरों से। दे हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंस ऑफ स्मेल, इनकी सेंस ऑफ स्मेल बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है। दे हैव शॉर्ट ईयर्स एंड टेल। दे हैव लॉन्ग कर्व्ड एंड शार्प क्लॉज which help them walk on ice. Physical activities on warm days make the polar bear feel hot. Warm days, as just now I have told you that for 6 months there is no sunset, and for 6 months there is no sunrise. Any no days for 6 months. 6 months is totally night and 6 months is totally daytime. So during daytime, when there is the light of sun for continuous 6 months, at that time polar bear feels very hot, and so they cool themselves by swimming in the icy sea. फिर बर्फीले पानी में स्विम करके अपने को कूल रखते हैं। Their paws are wide and large. उनके जो पंजे हैं वो चौड़े होते हैं और बड़े होते हैं, which help them not only in swimming well but also in walking with ease on the snow. And the last adaptation of this polar bear is that they are excellent swimmer. While swimming underwater, they close their nostrils and can remain underwater for long duration. So without breathing, they can spend longer time inside the cold icy water. Now adaptations of penguin. They are also the birds, non-flight birds of polar region. They are white in color, black colored feathers on their back. The white color merge well with white surrounding of ice and snow, and the black colored feathers on the penguin's back absorb heat from the sun and help them keep warm during the day. तो इनके भी कलर्स क्या है, पूरा वाइट है, और जबकि फीदर्स इनके ब्लैक कलर हैं। ब्लैक कलर के फीदर्स, ब्लैक कलर इज़ गुड एब्जॉर्बर ऑफ हीट रेडिएशन, तो ब्लैक कलर हीट रेडिएशन को एब्जॉर्ब करके पेंगुइन को वार्म रखने में हेल्प करता है, और जबकि इसका वाइट कलर सराउंडिंग से मर्ज होने में हेल्प करता है। दे हैव थिक स्किन एंड अ लेयर ऑफ फैट कॉल्ड ब्लबर बिलो देयर स्किन. Like polar bear, they also have thick layer of fat under the skin called blubber, and their skin is also thick and which prevent them from extreme cold. They huddle together in group to keep themselves warm. वो अपने को गर्म रखने के लिए ग्रुप में इकट्ठे एक साथ एक दूसरे के साथ चिपक के खड़े हो जाते हैं या हडल करते हैं, जिससे कि वो खुद को गर्म रख सकते हैं. They are also excellent swimmer. You might have seen in television also, the penguins swim easily in water. Flipper-like wings and webbed feet. They have webbed feet like ducks, and their wings act as flipper and which help them to swim in water easily. Now migration. Migration is actually movement of birds or animals from one place to another in search of favorable climatic conditions to lay their eggs and to save them from extreme cold or extreme hot. For that reason, the animals or birds used to migrate from one place to another. So one of the most common migratory bird which comes to India every year for a few months is Siberian crane. है ना, ये जो साइबेरियन क्रेन है ये हर साल साइबेरिया से इंडिया में आती है, बहुत लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करके आती है खुद को वहाँ के सीवियर कोल्ड से प्रिवेंट करने के लिए. द नॉर्मल हैबिटेट ऑफ साइबेरियन क्रेन इज साइबेरिया विच इज़ वेरी कोल्ड प्लेस. व्हेन विंटर सेट इन साइबेरिया it gets extremely cold, and at that time the Siberian crane fly thousands of kilometers and come to warmer places in India such as Bharatpur in Rajasthan, Sultanpur in Haryana, and some other parts of India. They stay in the warmer places in India for a few months. The Siberian crane, and then they fly back to Siberia when the winter gets over there and climate becomes favorable for them. Mammals, many types of fishes, insects, they also migrate seasonally in search of suitable climate. I told you just earlier, every winter the Arctic tern fly all the way to Antarctica and return to the Arctic region when it is summer, covering a distance of about 35,000 किलोमीटर. आर्कटिक टर्न जो है 35,000 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर करती है विंटर्स में, और फिर वापस वहाँ अपने नेटिव प्लेस पर चली जाती है. एवरी ईयर दे यूज टू फ्लाई, दे यूज टू कवर दिस मच डिस्टेंस. सो हाउ दिस बर्ड ट्रैवल टू द सेम प्लेस एवरी ईयर? इट इज़ अ मिस्ट्री. मीन्स ये बर्ड्स को कैसे पता चलता है कि वो कहाँ से आए हैं, कहाँ पहुँचे हैं, और फिर वहाँ से वापस वो अपनी जगह पे कैसे जाएंगे, उनको अपने रास्ते का ज्ञान कैसे होता है? इट इज़ जस्ट अ